neck go, the neck go, neck. Nya the neck go, the neck no neck. Nya the neck go, nya the neck go. Nya 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 the neck go. Necko 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 neck necko. Neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko. Necko necko neck and the neck necko necko neck the neck neck necko necko neck the neck 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 necko necko neck neck necko necko. Necko 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 neck 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 necko 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 neck 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 necko 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 neck 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 necko 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 necko. Necko necko neck 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 necko neck 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 necko 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 necko. Necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko 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 necko. Necko 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 neck 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 necko necko neck 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 necko. Necko 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 neck neck necko 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 necko. Necko 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 neck neck neck.
Heyo.
Necko necko neck 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 necko necko neck necko.
Imagine having a hard time getting this fucking thing to work.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
Might do like a complete reinstall of Maas. Because I am like, it's not spawning it at all. Like, something's wrong with it. Something is fucking wrong with it. Billy. So I finished watching Summertime Render. I think Summertime Render. Summertime Rendering. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So good. So good. It's as good as the manga, if not better. If not better. Art anime. Hold on. Art anime. Why do people like Summertime Rendering so much? Let's look at this. So Summertime Rendering. Ow, fuck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for beating me. May I please have another? So yeah, I was watching this. Ow! Thank you for giving me another. I appreciate it. Love it. Skip whatever this is. I never really liked it either. Okay, it is extremely jarring when people ask for stuff like ReZero, STR. It takes like 5 minutes. The most interesting of the stuff is extremely superficial story. What? It's not a superficial story at all. Like the whole cast is one note, and it has less depth than a random One Piece side character. Are you shitting me? Are you fucking shitting me? I love, like, what does that even mean? Like, what does that even mean? Gosh damn, I hate freaking Redders. It tries to tackle a mystery which only gets shanked by the action shift midway. What are you fucking talking about? That could have been done better in many ways while I was exploring some ideas. Okay, Sinbad Vetra, you're fucking retarded. Like, no, I don't think many people can write a fucking story like this. Okay. Also exploiting some idea that gives a narrative greater staying power and weight on the audience. Antagonists and protagonists aren't any more nuanced and are arguably worse. To me, a huge fan of ReZero. Now, I haven't really watched much of ReZero. What's Higurashi? Higurashi? Higurashi. What is this? When They Cry. When the Cicadas Cry, a Japanese murder mystery doujin. Soft visual novel. When They Cry. Oh, it's on Crunchyroll? Oh, wait a second. I think I've heard of this. I think I've read one of the manga. It's like fucked up. Like but I'm still waiting for the second part, right? So there's like a first part and then there's a second part. First part, like everybody gets killed, basically. So I read that part. It is like, woo. I'd say that's up the par on that. Like, okay. It generally feels offensive when people completely disregard the narrative weight those two incredible stories carry to advocate this paper mache version. What the fuck is it? What the fuck is this? Yeah. This is so fucking retarded. Of course, everybody's gonna be sucking them off. Yeah, I never really liked it either. I felt the characters, especially the MC, were lacking depth and personality. Are you fucking retarded? You saw like his character growth through the beginning to the end. Like he changes completely. He grows the fuck up. Don't really care and it's hard to get invested in the story when I don't care about the characters or what happens to them. Yeah, dude, I fucking cared about it. Like, you didn't care about like the little girl and her family, like basically massacred. Like the girl that basically killed one of the heroines. And like her family, how they got offed. Oh my gosh. That's not called like you don't care about those characters. It's called that you don't have empathy. And anyways, having watched anime like Steins Gate, Erased is fucking okay. Oh my gosh. Like I can't watch Erased. It's like you're talking this dude's like, okay, Dance of the Butterfly, or was it Dance of the Fireflies? Come on, let's compare it to Dance of the Fireflies. Something that you can only watch once, right? Erased is up there with only being able to watch it once. Like, do you have to be like so fucking disturbed in a fucking story that you can only watch it once and that makes it good? No. Like, Summertime Rendering, man, I had a hard time there for a little bit. Because like, holy shit, it's like gruesome. And like, yeah. Yeah, it does have a, what happens when you start solving the murder, the mystery, right? They have to save everybody too. Because it went from detective mystery supernatural story to an action series in the middle of the season. That's just how the manga goes, man. Eventually you figure shit out and you gotta like solve the problem. And these are like beings, these are aliens. So I've only read a little bit of ReZero. I think I might have seen the first season of ReZero. I haven't seen the second season. My life. Pretty deep if you ask me. Oh yeah, dude. I've read that. I stopped reading it though. It's borderline bestiality. Yeah. It's a little much. My life is this. We're thinking about the same thing. It's on high dive. After I became a dog and was picked up by the person I like. Yeah. It's on high dive. I've learned watch anime anywhere. No, you cannot watch any of this anime like something. Okay, we're not. I'm not gonna. You cannot watch this anime in front of your parents. Like a lot of this anime in here, you can't watch in front of your parents. I mean, you can, but like I'd be fucking like blushing hard. Plus size elf, titties everywhere in this. There you go. Season 1, 14 episodes. This one here, the fucking Beheniko, the elf girl's cat, is secretly an estrich monster. Noted. Oh my gosh, dude. This one here, holy fuck. She wants to fuck her cat. Seriously. And there's boobies all over it in it too. Peter Grill, okay. This is like peak. Peter Grill's like peak fucking anime. If you ever watched that or like read the manga, oh man. Why the hell are you here, since teacher? People chose bears. Yeah, not this one. I heard Nana's like fucked up. Golden Time. If you want to watch like a good old anime, little. I don't know if this is Seinen. I bet it is Seinen. Portuguese romance, drama, comedy. I don't think it's shoujo. This is like a soap opera. It's like you got to keep on watching until the end. So it has some good ones. I'm about ready to drop this though. I'm about ready to drop High Dive. Immoral Guild. I've read the manga and I'm pretty sure I won't be able to like watch this like while I'm cooking dinner. Did I finish this? I quit being here. Quit heroing. I have to see if I finish this. At least not sister leveling. Which one was I talking about? This one, like, is full of, like, girls. This guy's like the hunter. He's like a hunter in, like, a region, right? He's, like, high ranked, but he wants to retire. But they're like, hey, like, you do all the jobs. You gotta, like, we need you to replace somebody. We need someone to replace you. Could you train them? He wants to retire, right? And so he's like, fine. But he's having a hard time retiring because each person that's like in the group that he's training, like they always end up in like the monster's basically like molesting them. He has to fix the issue. Every single time. Every single time. Vampire Hunter D, you know what the D stands for. Okay, what is this? These are movies. Duck, yeah, It's actually Dracula, but I think it's Dracula. I'm pretty sure. I think Dracula is like his dad or something like that. I can't remember exactly. I'll have to watch like Oshinoko. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Oshinoko. Season 1, season... Oh, they have 2 seasons? Yeah, I'll have to watch that. Made in the Abyss. I am so afraid to like watch this. I think like either like the first or second chapter in the manga, like they tie like the girl up as punishment naked. My parents will be like, what the fuck are you watching? Like, are you some sort of psychopath? Hentai pervert? Are you a psycho? Yeah. Psycho Kitty. Psycho Neko. Put him on the list. Okay, so what I found like was a good read, and it's on like Amazon Prime. I wonder if it's on 9 Anime. Let me see if I can get it here. This is where I go. This is where I watched, because like, what's it called? Summertime Rendering is on. I watched it on here. I just fucking watched everything. How does it know that I did like 25? How does it know I read? What the fuck? I didn't do it on this PC. What? 3.6? Nah, this is a good one. This is really good. Okay, what was I talking about? Oh, Ubenblatt or something like that. Ubenblatt. Ubelblatt. I guess that's German for like something. So this is on Amazon Prime also. Fucking good. How does this have no stars? With like 2,370,000 views. Now they kind of skip a lot of the beginning of the manga. They skip like a ton of the beginning of the manga. It's like, what the fuck's going on? I guess, well, they skipped like a chapter or two. They ended up being like previews to it. Yeah. Aired January 11th, 2025 to March 29th, 2025. I thought this was fun. It's a nice little revenge story. Oh, what's like... Do they have tags like revenge tag or anything? I'm trying to remember this one that was like pure revenge. It's like fucking crazy. I think it was on... Let me grab my iPad. I could probably look it up on my phone here, actually. Shit, my phone's dying. Crunchyroll. Fuck Crunchyroll. I can't remember the name of it. Oh, I can just like go on Crunchyroll. Okay. Categories. It's like a sci-fi slash fantasy. Well, these, I mean, like, yeah, I think you're right. Mainstream studios are missing that manga and anime have taken over the interests of new generations because current movies are poorly written. Yeah, that's why they try to like, that's why Japan's being attacked. by Visa and MasterCard, because like their culture, at least their entertainment's winning out. Classroom of the elite. I think it was something Kingdom. I can't remember. So I was reading a lot of this dead demons, dead destruction. I had to stop reading the manga. It was like something bad was gonna happen in it. Because they do like a lot of flashbacks and shit. Claymore. Gantz. Oh man. What the fuck? I didn't realize Gantz had an anime. Huh. I have to like watch that. What is this? Relife. I've actually finished that. It's like it's a web anime. Or it's a web manga. Whew. It's the one I'm thinking about has like witches in it. King of Thorn. Kuma. Chicks dig Kumas. Kuma Bear. You guys ever watch that? It's this girl that's like freezing. This girl, she's a magician. Hey, Harem's End. World's End Harem. That's like the fucking best. You just got to get the uncensored version. Okay, I'm gonna type in Kingdom. Hey you! Hey you! Kingdom of Ruin. Holy fuck, dude. That's it. Kingdom of Ruin. There's just like one scene in this. I think it was here. Oh, fuck, dude. Yeah, you can watch this one with your family. This is... Oh my gosh. I so want to like play this one section of it. Oh my gosh. It is so fucking ridiculous. It takes like revenge. Like, oh, it has nudity in it. Profanity, violence. It takes revenge to like the next level. Like he's out to kill everybody. The main character is. He's out to kill everybody. Like no one's gonna live. Oh my gosh. Oh, I so want to describe like this one scene. Joy to the world, the nation of witches. And like just everybody gets slaughtered in this. Like don't get attached to anybody. Don't get attached to anybody. Okay, I thought I brought up a... Man, I'm pretty sure I brought up a Dayquil. I'm gonna have to go to the other room real quick. Let me tell you all what's going on here. Rebecca from Cyberpunk. Is that... Now, I haven't watched the fucking anime on that. Although I could probably watch it since it's like... I can probably watch it here. Cyberpunk Edge runners. Oh, I'm sure like everybody dies. I mean, everybody dies in like the video game. Life is very cheap in this game. In the game. Like how they kill off his mom. I've seen part of it, right? I couldn't watch it in front of my daughter. Considering like they basically had like this basically sex at the like at the very beginning. I was like, holy fuck. I turned it off like immediately. I think I watched like 2 episodes of it. And yeah, basically like he was like floating around in space with that one chick. And then basically she sold him out to buy his like, she sold him out to some dudes to get his like his new, whatever that tech was that he had installed on him. And that's where that was like the end of it. But I can like, since it's on here, I can rewatch it. Her nipple's purple. That was Henya's story. Cyberpunk. Yeah. Oh, it's only 10 episodes? Are they like... Damn. They didn't even get a full 12. So... Alright, so I've been like... I set this fucking thing up, right? Commission failed. No, fuck it failed. You fucking don't work. So I added this, right? You have to add hardware. You add a machine. You put the MAC address. I put one of the MAC addresses in there. Select the power type. IPMI. It fucking started up. I could see it like in one of these things. Like it whips up like an IP address for it. But then it stops. It doesn't go into the PXE. It doesn't do a PXE boot or nothing. I don't know if my BIOS is wrong or if this is fucking up. I'm pretty sure my BIOS is set up right. I'm pretty sure I set up the BIOS right. Yeah. I can't fucking... So what it does is like, it does a PXE boot, it goes into there and sets some things up. It maps everything out for you the first time. You know, and then you can go in here and like, network card, you can tell it, hey, I wanted to have like, you know, like I wanted to have like this network card to be this IP address, blah, 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 blah. Like we need to deploy it. Commissioning it, like, puts it into the system for you to deploy it. Yeah, so you can put, yeah. I figured IP address unconfigured. Yeah, no shit, it's unconfigured. I don't know, I thought about resetting it. All right, let me find blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, not much, just frustrated. I want to like be able to deploy servers. Basically, I want to be able to boot up servers just automatically, not have to like put a USB stick in them and like install shit. Just want to put them on the sub thing and add them in. But I can't. I was thinking about making like a subnet to my subnet. But then I'd have to use a new PC. I don't want to do a subnet to my subnet. That's fucking well, I might be able to actually. I was thinking about it. I was thinking about it. Maybe I can. What if I did? I know my DHCP is working. Okay, so I wonder if I can. I was kind of looking up on my phone. Troubleshooting guide, Maas OS deployment failing. No, there's no cloud in that error or nothing. Okay. And I know the motherfucker sees my PC. I know it sees it because the network discovery. Here's my gateway. This here's my streaming PC. This here's my phone. It's not here any longer. What is this? That's my TP link. Do I have my smart thing in here? Oh, this is my bridge. Not a bridge. I've been asleep all day. So much happened. Some crazy shit happened. It's my true NAS. It had it in here. Okay, let's take this off. I think I could turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on. I can't log into it. I turned it off. Commission failed. C logs. Failed to. No rack controller can access BMC. What the fuck are you talking about? I am the BMC, bitch. I put it as manual. It's power source. Power is check power. You can't check power. Power off. Okay. Oh, no. This is MAAS. This is like Canonical's Maas here. Here. That thing there. I set it up so like the hardware. Can I do large text? Really large text. Yeah, see the power type's manual. Resource pool. I thought this HWE might help it. Let's just do no minimal kernel. So I got this. I can download the images. Got 24.04. It go back to 12.04. What the fuck, Dio? There's a vShojo merger link. What are they going to merge into? How does cheat? What the Fuck, does Chibi have like a fucking insider info or something? I was like, I troll her a bit. And she's like Mrs. Insider Info. Oh, Chibi reviews. Oh, I troll him a little bit. Dude's silly. He's on the warpath, man. He's like the one-man army for this censorship game shit. I don't even like virtual. I mean, like, yep. Okay. DNS. See, it sees my shit. It sees this. All right. Network discovery. It fucking hid that one thing. Maybe because I set up as my one thing. Oh, you got a Windows fucking piece of shit. Oh, there it goes. What? License keys, storage. I don't know what to do. What's a flat layout? Network proxy, mass built-in, DNS, got that. Okay, NTP, syslog. Every week. I don't even know what this DHCP snippets is. I don't have IPMI. Secret storage. What is this? What's a TLS? TLS. Transport layer security aims to primary for privacy, integrity. Oh my gosh. Do I need that? All that shit's gone. I don't have a certificate. Oh, wait a second. I might have to configure the port. What port should I open for Maas? For Maas. This might be it. This might be the problem. I think this might be the issue. Okay, let's copy this. Very dark. Smash JT. Neurotic. Ugh. PXE. Okay. The DHCP server must have PXE enabled, provided enable. Okay. That's why I'm thinking, like, maybe. What the fuck, Dio? Because it sees it, right? But then, like, it doesn't do anything with it. Okay. So I was thinking about, like, reinstalling it using, basically using Ubuntu server. Okay. Okay. Power cycle the machine, order for the. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. UFW. Okay. UFW. UFW status. Okay. The primary ports need to be open to be used by the DHCP. Is this right? Hi, they're currently blah blah blah. I don't think this knows what it's talking about. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Where'd that go? It locked up or something locked up. So 240, 248, 5241. What are these like? Tell me like. All right, I'm going to try resetting it, the PC. I'm going to try to commission this again. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to reinstall it under what's it called? All right, machines, failed commission. Okay, it's commissioning. I'm going to go turn it on real quick and I'll be right back. Oh. Found my Dayquil. So I thought about setting a camera up in there. Because I just have like a monitor, right? You didn't get like a commercial, did you? I don't think it's doing shit. Look at that. Look at that. Did it do it? Let me go check to see if it did it. I see this here. Hell yeah. I'll be right back. I just turned it on and like came back in here because I knew I could go like right into the PXE boot. So we'll see. Oh, when you're hopping between channels, yeah, you'll probably get that. Yeah. I will be right back. I'm just going to look in my closet there and see if it's going. I don't know what's going on. It was in the BIOS. It was in the BIOS. But it did the PXE and it's just like sitting there waiting, and then it doesn't do anything after that. I don't know what's going on. It finds it, but it's not like sending the data over. I think if I set up, Mass should tell you like what ports to open. Configuration. Yeah. Yeah. It saw the fucking, it saw it. It literally fucking saw it. It gave its IP address for it, and it's just not commissioning it. C logs. Network discovery. Fuck my life. Okay, let's do one more thing. One more thing before I just do a complete reinstall. Booting. Okay. Why does it need the DHCP? Okay. The DHCP server and the PXE enabled development point DP. Additionally, the Control Alt Delete. I'm gonna Control Alt Delete my computer. Mass networking. Yeah, it doesn't need a big hardware. I'm using UEFI boot with boot P. Bootstrap. T trivial file transfer protocol 69. All right. HTTP booting. What the fuck is this shit? Bootstrap loading via. What the fuck is this shit? I think all this would be on if I installed this. If I installed this through the server. Okay, wait a second. The machine in question, power, blah, blah, the port 67. Did I give it 67? I didn't. Okay. What the fuck, Dio? Okay. Okay, so I don't have 67. And I think this was telling me 67 up here. Did I open up all those other ports for no reason? So I think what I want to do is the opposite. I'm going to take these off. I don't think it knew what I was talking about. I'm surprised it's UDP though. I'm surprised it's UDP. Like, why is it not like what is it? What's the other one? TCP. Okay. Let's take these off. Yeah. I'm just like scrolling through this, looking to see if there's like numbers. I'm scrolling for numbers. There's 64 bits. Yeah. Oh gosh, my shoulders kill me. All right. I'm gonna take these the fuck out. Was it all these? I did this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so I want to like. Okay. UFW. Insert. Enable, disable. Wait a second. Allow. Deny. Let's reject. Limit. Delete. Insert. Let's limit. We'll just limit those. I don't know. Well, I didn't like, I installed Maas like a different way. And I think I need to enable this in my firewall. So I installed it using Kubuntu desktop, and it doesn't automatically open the ports. So you got to open up the ports in it. So I think I got to open up. Right now it sees everything. I'm able to log into it, but I think I need to enable this for UDP. So allow. How do they show that? Okay. We'll do this. 67 UDP. There we go. So now, is it still like, did I just fucking close that shit? So right now it's trying to commission this. I'm going to restart it real quick and then see if it commissions it. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's just sitting there. Okay, I think I'm gonna like reinstall this using Ubuntu server. Okay, let's download Ubuntu server. I might have it already, but what I want to do is be able to like PXC boot and have it install OSs for me. Yeah, Ubuntu 07, I think is going away. What are these? BitTorrent. Network installer. Oh, 07. I walked away from it. Yeah, it's not doing shit. But sometimes this can be like finicky as fuck. Fabric cores, it doesn't know shit. Did that download? All right. BitTorrent, yeah. When you want something to download fast. It does take a while to like set up the BitTorrent. It takes a second. I really want to have a development PC. So I'll be like 2 days left. 2 days that when you really want to download it fast. 2 days to download. See, that's as fast. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's picking up now, baby. 30 megabytes a second. Oh, come on. You can go faster than that, you piece of shit. Summertime rendering. Fucking badass, dude. Best anime ever made. I didn't like the action part. Bro, the action part is also the good part. I think there should be like an anime or manga and like a third, like the acts, ACTS. They should like throw like complete fucking, you know, something out of left field. Like it starts off as like, I don't know, like a romance thing. 30 chapters in, right? It's like a rom-com. And then all of a sudden it becomes like a fucking zombie manga. A rom-com slice of life. But then like, what if zombies are like introduced like 30 chapters in? And all of a sudden becomes like a slice of life, like a post-apocalyptic. The second act would be like the zombie, like them dealing with the zombies, like escaping and shit. Slice of life of that. And then like the third act could be like the post-apocalyptic slice of life. But then aliens show up. I don't know. Fucking ninjas. Ninjas show up. Man, I don't know if you ever like watched like, I think it was called like Under Ninja or something like that. I think that's on Crunchyroll. I read the manga. And I don't know where it got like in with Crunchyroll. But holy fuck, dude. I had to stop watching it. I had to stop reading it because like I can't get into it. Is it Under Ninja? Yeah. 4.3. Ninja Collection. 2.6. You know that's good. Introduce ninjas. Chapter 45. Because fuck it, dude. They did something like that. There was like a manga kind of like that. It was like reincarnation slash, I don't know. This guy had to go like through different dimensions, and it was like fantasy slash like sci-fi, but like it happened so fast. It happened so fucking fast, and then it tied it all in together. I don't even know. I don't even know if it ended or whatnot. It might have, but it happened like so fucking fast. All right. My DHCP server. Uh-oh. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. All right. Flash from file. What the fuck? What the fuck? What? Oh my gosh, what the fuck? What happened? File sharing turned off? Okay, hold on a second. Let me just pull it over. Because my DHCP server got changed up or something? Cancel. Oh no. Oh shit. What's going on? Why can't it see my NAS? I'm scared. Did my NAS get shut down? True NAS. Well, I found it there. What the fuck's going on? Usually I don't have to like worry about it too much. I just click the network and it's finding it on my other PC. It's finding it on my streaming PC. Cancel. I don't want you fucking... Don't fuck with it. Let's close you. I'm not connected to the network. What? What the fuck? No internet access. Okay. Okay. Huh. That's weird. Is it not handing out DHCP shit? Huh. It should be. Oh shit. All right. I guess it wasn't behaving correctly. The thing is, I don't have like I'm pretty sure. Sorry. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. This is mine here. Huh. That's weird. That's fucking weird. Huh. Let's reboot. I should be fine on my streaming PC because I have a static IP address. So. But it gave that one thing an IP address. Why is it not giving this thing an IP address? Why is it not giving my Windows machine an IP address? What the fuck, Dio? All right. Can I X this? Like, what's this X? Remove. Bye-bye. I think I can get into it now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. There we go. My whole life is over. That's it. I gotta buy a new computer. Reconnect, bitch. No internet. Fuck you, you're on the internet. Can you shut the fuck up for once? All right, I'm gonna try resetting this. What if I'm pretty sure it's plugged in. Let me double check here. I can just see the LEDs are on. It is plugged in. This is so weird. Restart anyways. I guess I'll have to do it on my streaming P. I can give it like a static IP. Yeah, let me hide this. Ah! Freaking Windows blows. Wind blows. Yeah, you heard it here, folks. Well, looky here. It gave me an IP. You have 8 new friend requests. Wind blows. Escaflowne. I gotta finish that one day. Okay. Do I dare? Do I dare? See if it commissions it. Give it one last. See if it commissions before I do this. Let's okay. This is what we do. What did I just? Wait a second. I think it's in my downloads. All right. Let's go to downloads. We will do this. And I'll see if I can if it will like do the thing. Live server. Yeah. Flash it. I about moved this PC into a new room, into my other room. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna try commissioning that again. Let's try commissioning it again. All right. Pools. Come on, bitch. There you go. Devices. Oh. All right. Okay. We'll do this. So those have NVIDIA and AMD. Default, mass, IP assignment. Machines. What the fuck? Okay. Let's delete this one and make a new one. I don't think it's devices. I think it's machines. Right? Wait a second. What if I fucked it up and was using... Okay. Are servers devices or machines in Maas? Consider machines. What's a device? Like a fucking printer? What are devices? What are devices in Maas? Non-installable machines that can be managed within the system. Devices can be assigned a parent node. Okay. It's a machine. It's not the machine. Machine name. Will not select default. Default. Okay, so this is one of... Wait a second. All right. I'm pretty sure that's one of them. That's my Mac. The Mac Daddy address. Oh, come on. I was like fucking recording my screen on accident. And I don't see it on here. Okay, 086266 A254 B8. Add MAC address. Okay, so we can do this again. 08 what? 62 66 A2. This has two different. Fuck me. A2 54 B9. Imagine that. There we go. Select power type. Manuel. All right. One last time. See, it's going to come up here. It's going to say commissioning. There it is. How's commissioning? I'm going to hit the button. What gave an IP? I don't see it going through the motions. I don't see it going through the motions. I think it says something else here. I need to take. Oh, you know what I should do? I should take a picture of this so you all can see what it looks like. It oddly looks very similar to PewDiePie's. PC that I was showing. All right, I'm gonna take a quick picture of it. Quick pic, PC pic. BRB, baby. Yeah, it didn't work. It didn't work. It doesn't even fucking sit there and wait. Like usually like stick on the PXE boot thing and never stop. At least like for like servers. This is more like a workstation motherboard. All right. Let me upload these photos. Multiple photos, all photos, upload all photos. Select. Took a couple pictures. Saved files. All right, we'll save them to pictures, I guess. Interesting voice. Welcome to the Interesting Voice Show. All right. Pictures. Have you ever seen a picture pic? Heretic. Okay, this is one of them. This is the one that contains the M40s. That's the fan thing that I designed. This is the top one. Those are just RAM sticks. I think those are 16. They might be 16 gigabyte RAM sticks. They might be 8, actually. They might be something. This is the computer. It has those Frontier and two of like the sexiest fucking graphics cards ever made. The EVGA 1080 Ti FTW. Oh yeah. But they're like, those are 1080. They're on the 50 now, right? They did the 20, the 30, the 40, and the 50. So they kind of get pretty long in the tooth. But like if you weren't doing ray tracing in your games, I mean, they'd work out because they have 11 gigabytes of RAM. But now it's kind of getting hard now for use. Here's my air compressor. Yeah. What's that? That's probably broken. There's my NICs. I got a SAT. I think that's the SAS. I think this one's broke. to the left, I don't have them in the picture. Shit's piled on top of them. There, that has a camera on it. I got 2 3D printers right up here. So this one has like 3 1070s on it. I mean, they could be like used. They could be used for like upscaling and shit. Like, let's say like I want to do render, like upscale render, like a render farm almost. Like I could use something like that. Yeah. I should have sold those 1070s. I had a window where they were like $300, and I should have sold them then. And that was like a couple years ago. There was a window where they were like $300. Yeah, I never sold them. Now I think you can get them for like $100 a pop. See, the fan's running on this one. These, okay, so I want to use these because it has 16 gigabytes of RAM in it. Nothing like really special, but it has like FP16. So these don't have FP16 in them. So it should like perform twice as fast on like I'm basically twice as fast. This is my old NAS right here. That's my old NAS. Yep. And it is, oh shit, I was really fucking stupid. I just realized something. Something went wrong. In the middle of this, doing something to this, I like flipped over to my other screen. And like on my KVM, and my KVM is like, my KVM is has the USB cables all connected to it. Oopsie. All right, so we can go back in here. Pictures. All right. There we go. Yeah, so that's my old NAS. I can take those fans out. I should take those discs out. And, oh. So this is this is the Pal World server right here. Underneath that's my old NAS server. It's empty right now. And underneath that's my new NAS. This is my 10 gigabit Ethernet switch. This is a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet switch I need to hook up. But I won't do that until I make my new router. Where's my router? Oh, yeah. Now, you can barely see it, but my router is right. It's right there. That's my router. So here, this here is a power supply for a server. This is done. Complete. That's how I can power these. Yeah, baby. So, PewDiePie. Let me make sure this is disconnected. All right. The fit is disconnected. The fit is disconnected, baby. All right. Yeah. We're going to do this old-fashioned way. Install HTOP from the top. No video. Oh, no. I forgot. This thing fucking locks up. It's weird like that. Like the desktop doesn't load after a while. All right. Close this shit. What the fuck, Dio? Ow. The Cracker Barrel way. Cracker Barrel. Sudo. Ooh. Sudo reboot. All right. What? All right. Thank goodness for static IPs, baby. All right. Well, like, here's the thing. You just can't, like, change. Why do they feel like they had to change everything? I think you can get rid of, like, the store in the front. Advertise or something like that. I don't see like an advertisement for them at all. What the fuck just happened? I just fucked up. Oh, they love seeing white male mascots. They don't like seeing colored mascots. They got rid of like Aunt Jemima and like the fucking whatever his face was. The cream wheat guy. You got rid of that guy. Cultural appropriation or something. Oh, thank you, Jesus. They're hypocrites. Oh, no. I wonder. Oh. Ah. So, Jesus or Jesus. Jesus.c. If you're still in here, who's your Oshi? Man, this is like small ass fucking text. Oh, there's a guy who said, I like your clips. I don't know if he's still in here or not. Waiting for Cloud and Net. Oh no. It probably can't connect to the internet. Oh no. I might have to stop this. Let's do Control Delete. We're going to turn you off. Come on. Power off. All right, it's powered off. I probably won't even be able to. I probably fucked it up. I'm going to have to give myself a static IP. So let's go ahead and do that. Great, I can't click on anything. Can I click on it here? Oh, it just locked up. All right. What you gotta be this way, bitch? Hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna put this in the front. There we go. Why can't I click on anything? Oh no. I hate it when it does this. Ugh. Log out, Derek. No. There we go. Yeah, you're not going to be able to reconnect. So let's go over here. Wired settings. Come on. You don't have to be this way. What was it writing? Holy fuck. No. Let's go to settings. There we go. Interesting, because I don't have. Identity, IPv4 manual. All right, so we'll go like 192.168. 55-152. 255.255.255.0. Gateway 192.168.55.254. There we go. DNS. Well, we'll just put this in here. 1.1.1.1, comma 1.0.0.1. Routes. Okay, we'll turn this off, turn it back on. All right. ifconfig. All right. I'm new to Phase. Mari brought me in, but I like Urka's violin streams and I'm getting to know Lori. Dio. Getting to know Lori. Who's Lori? Lori? Oh, gosh. My shoulder's killing me. So I think I want to turn on my one thing again. we're able to, and what the fuck is this? No. Scary. Lori. Oh, Japanese virtual. I mostly only know the Ian ones. Man, my fucking shoulder's killing me. Classified. Well, she's a Leo. Oh, birthdays. Wait, classified. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, so we're going to enable this back up and be from range 160 to... All right. Let's save it. Wait a second. Let's actually check this off. Applied successfully. Okay, enter Wi-Fi firewall. Okay. Okay. Let's try this again. Mari _ Ian. I like trucking. I like fucking. And most of all, I like cranking my hog. I like cranking my hog. Yeehaw! Okay, we'll assign a we will assign a static IP for this bad boy. Yeah. Error file boot not found. I was scared there. I was like, oh, it's not gonna be able to reach the internet. But I think I give it an IP address and I'll do it. I think we'll be okay. System D. This makes me want to install Foreman. The shit I've been dealing with here makes me want to install Foreman. My Oshis are Henya and Pippa. I have the most clips of both of them. Pippa's first, I think. Then it's Henya. Henya has... You know what Pippa needs to do? She says that she needs to make more money. She should extend her streams out to 4 hours long, right? And take the first hour of chatting and then get to whatever she's planning on doing afterwards. But it's really hard to do that like on YouTube, because the way they have it set up makes you feel like that you gotta stick to the plan, man. Yeah. Ubuntu server. Yeah. Lifu. All right, so I'm going to show you all what I'm doing. It's kind of small. I didn't know if it'd give away some stuff. Let me increase the size. So here it says auto configuration failed. Well, yeah. So we're going to manual this. The subnet, I think that's the CIR. I have to do this like 192.192.168.55.0, I think. And then like this. I think that's what I have to do. And in my address, I'm going to give this 168.55.252. And the gateway is 192.168.55.254. Name server. Those are DNSs. I think name servers are DNSs. Okay. Why do they like... Okay. DNS is name server? Is DNS name server? Yes, you are correct. A name server is the component domain name system. So just say DNS. Okay, so the thing is like you put this in here and then like your internet service provider will change it. Yeah. There we go. So I don't think I have any search domains. So what are search domains? What are search domains? Domains in Ubuntu install. Host names that are not fully okay. All right, I don't have that. All right, so let's save this. Save. Create bond. What's the bond? Bond. James Bond. All right, so it connected. It connected. That's a good thing. All right, so done. Proxy address. If you need to use a HTTP proxy to the outside world, yeah, we're done. This shit is small. Maybe I can make this like a, wait a second. It'll cover up shit. Yeah. I'll be back with this. Okay. Mirror location is being tested. So I'm installing the fucking server. You may provide reading packages list. I don't know. Should I keep on? I don't know if I should just keep on doing this or it says done. Oh my gosh. The mirror location pass tests. Okay. All right. Use entire disk. What's an LVM group? I don't know what that is. Set up this disk as an LVM. Should I set up the disk as an LVM group? All right. Should I set up disk as LVM group? As a Linux Windows newbie, what is LVM and what is it used for in terms of web server installation? What benefits does it provide? Would you recommend using it? Necessary cookies only, bitch. You can think of LVM as dynamic partitions, meaning you can create, resize, delete LVM partitions. They're called logical volumes in LVM speak. From the command line while your Linux system is running. No need to reboot the system to make the kernels aware of the newly created resizing partitions. Other nice features that LVM logical volumes provide are, if you have more than one hard disk, blah, 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 you're not limited to the size, blah, blah, blah. You can set up the striped LVs as that IO can be distributed. You can create a read-only snapshot of any LV. Downsides, of course, all this comes at a price. Initial setup LVM is more complex than partitioning a disk. You would definitely need to understand LVM technology and model. Once it is set up, using is much easier though. Also, if you use LVM across hard drives, you may lose all data when only one drive fails. Oh shit. I know that this thread is old and that the OP has a lot better understanding of this, but I came across this thread whilst looking up something with LVM and thought I put my 2C in. The short answer is that increasing the size of the partition on the disk is a pain. All right. I am not going to do an LVM group. Fuck your LVM group. All right. There we go. I'm going to have it like, ooh. Okay, so it gave it 1 gig. That's good. All right. And usually like, I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. What the fuck? What is this? Used devices? Okay. And use. Okay, I think it's just saying we'll be good. Usually I would like I'm hoping it will have its own. Okay, let's do this. Let's go back. I'm scared. Custom storage layout. All right, so I want to use this one here. What the fuck is this shit? Device. Close. Let's delete this. Cannot delete single partition from the device. Already has partition. What the fuck? Okay. What the fuck is this? Okay, let's go back. I did not see you. Back, bitch. I'm afraid. Okay. You need to mount a file system at... Okay, so we'll use... select the boot disk. This will be the boot disk. There we go. Okay. Okay, now you can... Is this really it? Why do they make this like harder to do than like the graphical user interface? Let's go back. Okay, well, I guess we'll just use this shit. I was wanting to put like a I was wanting to put like 16 gigs or so of a swap in there. Continue. All right. My name, Ultra Derek. Ultra Maas. Derek. Password. Just in case. Enable Ubuntu Pro. I am never going pro, bitch. Yeah. X. Import SSH key. Ultra Derek. I think it's just Ultra Derek. Yeah. Let me double check. GitHub Ultra Derek. Calling for it. Call for Mr. Herman. Call for Mr. Herman. GitHub. Tesco packages. That's me, baby. All right. Oh, that's a handsome kitty. All right, so I know it's small. Fetching my SSH keys. Yeah, that's fine. All right, done. No applicable third-party drivers are available locally or offline. All right, bitch. So this is going to be, what's a live patch client? What the fuck is that? PowerShell? LXD VM Manager. They used to have like a Maas in here. etcd. Nextcloud, server for all your data, open source Kava, build lightweight VM ecosystem, Docker, container runtime, live patch, Mosquito, etcd, resilient key value store by Shah's wormhole. Get things from one computer to another safely. I don't know what that is. It has like a fucking star on it. AWS CLI. Google Cloud. I don't like any of these. Yeah, I don't want any of them. I don't know what any of that shit is. Like etcd seems cool. Resilient key value store. Like I'm not 100. Powerful SQL. Yeah. Install the kernel. There used to be like a mass setup, like you can just install the mass on that. Oh shit. I was just thinking like hopefully my son's not. His computer might be. His computer's connected to my subnet. And I just turned off the DHCP server. Uh-oh. NVMe over. All right, let's watch something. I don't know if the audio will be up. I don't have to be logged into this. I don't think I do. This might take a minute. That's why. YouTube. Oh, wait a second. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, I might have to clip this. So, okay. Check out this. Let me add something here. Add window capture. I think this is. Hey, what is this? It's Brave. All right. Brave. Capture cursor.
He's on her fingers, a necklace. I have a bunch of them, and
Dude,
then yeah, I'm gonna
that
wear
was so cool.
pink and like a shocking pink or whatever.
I see you as like the coolest auntie. Auntie K-san would be the coolest.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Wait a second.
Chat, who?
I have two Brave things. Beacon music. Oh. Okay, you don't. Okay, you see it. I might clip this. What's going on with Kason? She like. What is she stroking? Default view. Isn't it like theater view? The Asian mom. What is like Kason doing? So she's Japanese American. I guess Kason was too, but she's like, Kason is lives in Japan now. I think she's just a Japanese citizen. She has a sister. I want to be a grandma with a shotgun. American history. Fucking like Fillion's on late as fuck. What the hell's going on? It's crazy. And like, we need to bring this like way back. Whoa. There we are. There I am. I'm a cowgirl, baby. Okay. Oh, it's done. Reboot now. What the fuck, Dio? Yeah. Please remove the thing. Press enter. There we go. All right, so I should be able to SSH into this shit. What's really weird, I didn't have to like put in my location or anything like that. That's kind of weird. Cloud in it. You think she's on a trampoline? What the fuck? What the fuck? No, you needed to do a transplant. Put your brain into your clone. It might be a pogo stick, but she like... Oh, there it is. Black Mirror. I did see a trampoline clip of Fillion and Henya playing in VR. Oh yeah. Man, they were doing that shit before I really started clipping Henya. What's going on here? Okay, okay. So I don't know. It's giving some stuff up here. I don't want to like show it. So should I log in? There's a movie on this. Okay, so I'm in my new. This is the server. There's a login. I can't zoom it in really. There's a movie like with what's his face? Obi-Wan Kenobi. Who's the blue-haired girl? That's Sayu. That's Sayu. Sayu Centricity. She's on YouTube and on X. There we go. Sorry. Loud. All right. There we go. Okay, so I can SSH into my computer. This is gone, D. YouTube. Well, let's check Switch. Twitch. Okay. Oh man, it's only on Sayu. So yeah.
A long time now.
Dude, like it cool, huh? Hey chat, look.
It's only on hers. All right, so let me do this. We'll have to like watch it later or something like that.
I'm not gonna ignore you. I'm sorry.
Shit.
Get her.
Sayu, she's not streaming this. Okay, she's streaming this on Twitch too.
So I jump.
Okay.
All right.
Does it? Do it again.
Max height.
Do it again.
Okay.
And
We
she
missed
lost
it. Do it
her
again.
hair.
Boom.
Hair's overrated.
Pretty cool, huh?
Big ass dome.
All right. When do you two see yourselves retiring?
Dome.
Ooh.
Is it DOAM? No, is it DOME?
I
No,
wanna be an
do
anime
this
girl
forever.
forever, like Mario.
Fellow forevers? Hell yeah.
Never.
Same.
I'm doing this forever. I don't fucking care. What
Hell yeah. Fucking love that.
Yeah.
Exactly. There's gonna be so much dumb
Forever.
shit to do in the future.
All right.
Right.
Girls know how to chat it up.
And then when I die, there'll be a new fill-in.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god. Oh,
stream then?
And they'll be like,
it's going wild on her.
"Was the day we lost?"
Oh my.
And someone like, "How would be so on your forehead?"
Crazy.
Oh yeah.
Do you think
I'm gonna
Fillion
get an
2.0?
epic speed, and you're getting molested by Kirby. Like, this
Chat,
come
do you
on.
think Fillion 2.0 is gonna be as good?
Fillion needs to like make like a new thing.
Frick you.
Yeah. Chat saying yeah.
But
Better. Yeah. Chat saying better.
Oh, better. Okay, cool. Wait.
okay, so I need to download this. I've been like,
No winning. You just
so I've done like a few Sayu clips,
both answers are bad.
but Pippa
You're winning.
rated Sayu.
You almost leaked something from Twitch. I don't know. Just-
Okay, Sayu
I saw some Twitch pen on your stream, and now it's gone.
2025
It's Twitch. Hi Twitch.
08
As long as you're aware.
28 27
I'm doing what Fillion.
27.
He leaks everything.
with Fillion birthday
So I don't feel as bad.
with Fillion
What V-Show
and Kason.
V-Shoujo is doing right now. What V-Shoujo
Wait,
is
weren't you
gonna
the person
do.
that grabbed the guy on the call and he's just like,
Yeah.
"I'm sorry, K-Sun-chan."
That was so good. That was hardcore as
Why did
fuck.
that guy agree to that? That poor guy.
What?
This is breaking news.
Give him an explanation to do. What?
He really have to?
He really tried. He actually got on.
Well, I called him. I mean, he's on. Oh, ooh.
That
Come
guy just
on.
sounded like he was ready to get executed. Like that was
Actually.
rough.
I
Well, he
respect.
had a choice.
I respect.
mean,
All right, him coming for the execution. I respect that.
All right, can you hear this?
He had a choice.
Yeah.
And he decided to come on. So what? I mean,
저가 맞다네.
yeah, I didn't force nothing.
Let's
Thanks
see
for
if
the
there's
massive hat.
Yeah.
Breaking
She's
news,
too
chat.
cool. The hat makes
The
is a
bigger
proof
the
that she's
hat,
cool.
the cooler the streamer.
True.
Yo.
True.
Right.
I have to pee. I'm beginning to see the problem now.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, it
Oh,
looks
there
like
you
it.
go.
Wait, we hit 2,000. Yeah.
Wait, for real?
All right.
Shit, that's crazy.
I did pee really badly. What do I do?
You got
Feels good to
13
block.
hours to go.
Mamma mia. Mamma mia.
You gotta just squirt it all over, I guess.
Yeah, I'm
no,
like,
I can
wait.
probably just pee while on the pogo stick. I can just. Alright.
I'm like, wait, isn't that? Yeah, if
Wait a
you keep
second.
jumping up and down, are you
a
eventually
second.
gonna piss your pants?
Hear what
no.
exactly?
Like, dude.
She was talking about like how she brought in her boss
That's true.
and interviewed him
So she'll eventually explode, right?
like on live stream. Like basically when she quit,
And then
she brought him on.
It's just on fire. And then
It was
everyone
hard to
dies.
listen
What if
to.
she, like,
Well, it's in Japanese to begin with.
What if she like jumps and takes her and like
It was in
jumps
Japanese to
without her
begin with.
pants on so that she can piss and like, you know.
Well, she gonna slip then, you know.
And then like hold on a
all
second.
over the floor, you're going.
Yeah,
Why are you
slip.
guys
Oh
asking
my
this
God.
many questions about? Listen, I'll just figure it out myself.
We're trying to
You want me to
help.
ask
We're
me-
being helpful.
And like
friends.
what was it like?
Making it free.
I guess like he got
Yeah,
paid.
we're
Like
right there.
she's like, "Where's my money, bitch?"
Finger up
You know
your
what it is?
urethra.
Yeah.
Freak the nerd that did this junk for 13 hours. Cause now it's my
Yeah, I didn't
problem to
include like the one where she really talked to the boss
fix, okay?
because like it was all in Japanese. I wasn't gonna
14
translate
hours,
it.
At least she doesn't have to sleep, you know.
Moo.
That's true. But like, how would I like stream? Like, what would I do this entire time?
I can get those. I can get swirl glasses or something.
that.
You just keep jumping.
Yeah, you just keep
You just
jumping.
scare me jump.
Just
like, no
keep
talking.
jumping.
Alright.
Just keep jumping.
Alright, you guys both just don't talk for like 10 seconds, okay?
All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Philly and Fussy Baby.
Okay. This is
How do you archive streams live while
You know what I do? I need people to like talk at me to keep me sane.
what?
Like, you know, people on the podcast while I jump.
How do you archive streams live while the stream has no scroll back options on YouTube?
Yeah, exactly. Well, yes.
I think that's better
I'm gonna
content.
pee and explode. Okay.
I don't get it.
Yeah.
That's fricked up, dog. It's fricked up.
Oh, she's at 2,300. That's crazy.
You mean like download it? I don't know. You probably can't. Or you grab it like while it's streaming.
3 minutes?
You can't go back in it.
Problem is needing to pee and getting bored.
Like if they have like the no like if they don't have the DVR part. Like this is DVR.
Okay. Have either of you ever told anyone that you knew before content creating what you do now?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hell no.
I can grab the chat download.
Yeah.
Where is it?
No?
No, I have.
No.
Yeah. A lot of.
Let me grab the chat too.
IRL people.
Yeah. Many of my friends know. Like most of my friends know. Well, I think it's because of
I can't
my
think-
face is all over the internet right now.
What the fuck's
mean,
going on
it's
here?
hard for not.
What do you mean right now? Is something happening?
Right. Well, there's a lot
She's
of
a celebrity.
No, I'm
Yeah.
not, but
Yeah.
you know, come,
Sayu,
somehow, you know,
Sayu.
the JoJo thing went on viral in Japan, and that was on news. I mean,
Well,
and
also the
yeah, I
Like a
made a
Dragon
video about
contest,
it.
right? Like you go, nah? Like,
Oh yeah, Lucky Dragon.
Why
I
is this
won,
doing
yeah,
this?
I won the
Yeah.
audition. Yeah,
This
yeah.
is so
yeah,
weird.
yeah.
What is going on here? There we go.
Thank you.
yeah, that was so cool. You looked so good in that. Oh my god.
Thank you.
PG
yeah,
now,
I
Danny.
do a lot
Crap, the
of
downside to
IRL,
getting
so,
high.
like,
Yeah.
you
You
know.
get, man, I lose my
Yeah.
Are
appetite.
you gonna stay
For my
VTubing
friend.
forever? Or
What you
are you gonna
say?
stay VTubing forever?
I don't know. I don't know. I just do whatever I want. The fuck I want. Yeah.
That
I should-
dream, the dream.
The reason I started VTubing was like I didn't want to do my makeup, and I don't.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, at that time
Now she
I
does
was,
it
like,
live.
Self-aware of, well, you know, how I look and whatever.
Yeah.
Now she does it live. All right. I can't be watching their stream while I'm fucking doing this. I thought about putting like Pippa's or Henya's stream like in the corner. I was like, I can't be doing that. I'll just have to watch them later. So okay, so right now I at least got to I at least got to set my NAS. Let's clear this. I got let's do this here too. Clear. So I got at least like set up my mass server to be a DHCP server. So DHCP. How much RAM DHCP? What is this shit? Okay. DHCP server. Right now I don't have one, and I need one. All right, so let's log into my server. So okay, so I gotta remove this host. All right. All right. So I don't have to put in password because my SSH key, it already holds my SSH key in it. Yay! Should I do a sudo app update? Okay. There we go. Man, if I had that password wrong, I've done that before. I've had the wrong password. Oh yeah. Like I put it in twice. Oh yeah. Bad news. So Movium, what the fuck? Okay, clear. Okay, we'll do like sudo snap install channel equals 3.6 stable. Could the problem be that it's in a snap? I wonder if the problem is because it was in a snap. Okay. Should I install Maas using Snap or Deb? Or Debian, yeah. Deb package. Simple installation recommends a strong isolation and security, predictable file paths. The use of Debian package is considered obsolete since the release of install both the snap and is not supported and will cause errors. Why? Can I follow-up question? Why would I want to use the Debian packages via PPA? Generally, you would not want to use what? Familiarity, apt, air gapping environments where without internet access, some believe the Deb packages are easier to manage offline. Integration concerns there. I'm going to use the Debian package. I'm doing it the Debian way. I want to do the Debian way. Okay. If this does not work the snap way, I'll punch a baby. I'll punch a baby. Punch a baby, damn it. Ah, my fucking shoulder's killing me. I wonder if this has UVW in it. Postgre SQL server. What the fuck? I should check to see if I had the UVW. I'm starting to think that... Okay. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 I think it was UVW. I SSH into that shit. All right. Is it UFW? Fuck, I have UFW. Fuck, fuck, fuck. I think I'm just gonna give up on this. I'm already giving up already. Such a pain in the dick earlier. Because I had to like do the firewall shit. And I'm wondering like if I have to do all the firewall shit with this. Okay. I don't know what this test like. I don't know what this test database is. Follow the prompts to configure your POC environment. Well, give me the POC shit, motherfucker. Okay. So I did the sudo snap install. Okay, so this is region plus rack. Database URI mass. I don't know what the /// is. You can install the mat. Okay, wait a second. If you want to set up post GRE SQL for a non-production deployment on this machine and configure it to use with mass, you can install. Okay. So I want a region and rack. This really is like non-production. Okay. Refuse to connect. All right. Oh wait a second. Or refuse to connect. Hopefully it'll like automatically fucking do that shit. If it doesn't, then yeah. Um Troubleshooting notes, NPP conflicts. All right. I got so much of this shit up. Let's close this. Close this. What's this shit? Oh yeah, that was just an example. Width, size to width ratio. There we go. Oh, Billy. Oh, I was mentioned. Google is locking down Android. From September 2026, all apps available those outside the Play Store. Ooh. I use iPhone. I use iPhone, Dio. Data migrations. All right. Migrate these nuts. Bounce, 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 bounce. What is this?
I'll go pick up some stuff just for the future.
I wonder. Up.
Up.
Oh, yeah, you soap store.
Up.
Oh no.
Up. Up.
Up.
Sorry, lady, you're taking too long. I'm ditching you.
Guanoa ba?
Not the beans.
Not why.
Oh no.
The beans.
Come on.
I want to play Peak.
I want that.
How long is this gonna fucking take?
Scan your shrooms. Oh my God.
Scan your shrooms.
I'm giving Pippa everything.
Yeah.
I enable
Oh.
his behavior.
Sedma gives me trail mix and Uraka gives me shrooms.
I didn't give you shrooms. I gave you a sports
Give me
drink.
shrooms.
And I believe.
Oh my God.
Give me that tummy
Okay,
ache.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna go with you, Pippa.
Oh, that's a bean. That's a nice bean.
I don't know if I can jump there, but
Wee!
oh shit, I made it.
I don't
Oh
think
fuck,
you have enough
crack.
stamina.
Crack.
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 The orange, you can eat the orange. It's good for you. Orange.
Orange, you glad to meet me?
Bless you. Damn.
Summon via crack. All right. If you want to configure external authentication. What? I don't get it. To enable TLS. It's TLS. What is TLS? Transport layer security. All right, I guess we'll do that. So we'll do this. Okay. Took a while to fucking set that shit up. All right. Oops. Oops. Yeah. All right. All right. Oh. Good news. Before I had to like oh man. I used a different password. What? Huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm having an error. Did I type it in wrong twice? All right, so... All right. List. I wonder if I can just do this again. I don't remember. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Don't tell me I fucking did all that shit. Let's try this again. There we go. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. I could have fat fingered it twice. I've done that before. Fuck me in the goat ass. I think I have to reinstall this whole thing again. Yeah, I got in. 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 It's what men do. Oh yeah, the fatter the better. I want to check to see what I accidentally typed it in as. Yeah. What did I accidentally type this in as? Where's my... Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I gotta change it. It's bad. It's bad. So, I guess like sudo mass change password. There we go. I guess something will come up. What? Look at that. User root does not exist. What? All right, so I guess like I'm fucked. All right, we'll save it as that right now, but like I'm gonna type it in wrong a lot. All right. Two warnings. All right. All right. Synced. We're cool. All right. Finish setup. We can always add more. Warning. Settings. Okay, there we go. Users. All right, hold on a second. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we got in there. We got in there, baby. So, number of VLANs, non-HA. What the fuck is this? Network. Untagged. Name default VLAN. No space. We might have to give it a space. Configure DHCP. Reserve dynamic range. And we'll do 160. Okay. Interesting. This already is like way different than how it was before. I don't even know how I fucking got into this. No space. So let's see if we can add that machine. Yeah. No minimum mass zone. 8B. Caps lock 0862 66 A2 54 B9. How's the other one? Why can I not save this? All right. Oh, select power type. No. It's not IPMI. It's manual. Just finished reading the latest chapters of Chainsaw Man. Ah. I watched, all right, hold on one second. I'll be right back. Yeah, it's going to start. Machines. Where's the machines at? All right, so it's trying to commission it. I'll be right back. I got fish, motherfucker. Ouch. So, currently the fate of the world depends on the last girl who turned him on. Blowfish. It's working, everybody. It's working. It is working. Yeah. Yeah. That deserves a good going. There we go. That deserves a good going. Yep, I'm patting myself on the back. Fucking piece of shit. I should have just fucking done this to begin with. I wanted the fucking desktop because it's kind of easier sometimes to get into. And I should have just fucking done this to begin with. I didn't know it'd be that much of a headache. But also kind of fucked up on the initialization. That could have been part of it. Yeah. Yeah, that could have been part of it. Based on a true story. Oh, Billy. I wonder if Pippa's still streaming. She's done, right? Running smart CTLs. Yeah. RAM 66 gigabytes. What? Yeah, that sounds right. 24 cores. Well, it's a 12 core CPU. Status ready. So you got to go in here and you got to tell it what to do. Mass provided, no DHCP. I don't know if it's just sitting there. I'd got to go check on it, but I think I'm gonna go to bed tomorrow. We're going to deploy one. Yeah, subs. Until you install an AI on it. Yeah, 1 p.m. stream. So I can give it both of those IP addresses. I'm probably going to give it one, and then like the resource pool, you got to like tell it like you can like storage, you can configure the storage on it. Oh. There's only one SDA. So you can reconfigure that. You can have like a boot, right? And the ETC, all that shit. And then commission and past all that shit. USBs, network, has the networks, generics. It just gets all the information. Eon, it's not an E7. It's an E5. Oh, it sees the GPUs. It only caught one of them though. I wonder if the other one's plugged in all the way. Yeah. So I'm gonna turn it off, and then tomorrow I'm basically going to I'm gonna assign it its own IP address, and then tomorrow I'm going to basically log into it. I'm gonna boot it up, and then I'm gonna like configure it so I can do crazy stuff with it. I might make a front end too for this too. So yeah. So I can do it downstairs. Maybe not. I don't really need to. Because I can just use my Wi-Fi. I can just use my Wi-Fi. Alrighty. I'm out of here. Finally fucking got this shit to work. Read when I can. Alrighty. Ow, 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 ow. Turbo killer. Yeah. Maybe be on during the day. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yesterday, I just kind of slept in a little bit. And then, like, I was working on some stuff, but I didn't stream while I was working on it. But I think I want to, like, stream while I work on this shit. That was me drinking some. I can see why Pippa uses straws. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. And then I'm going to load another one. I want to be able to, like, use AI shit. Basically. I can just sense it shit through it. Through here, I'll just do it like through SSH. And yeah. Posting a new song in Discord, hell yeah. All right, good night. Grateful. Good night, everybody else. Good night, lurkers. Appreciate y'all. I'll get to clipping more. I'll get to clipping again. But a lot of my streams are going to be more like programming also. Eventually, I want to have an AI co-star with me. So I'll be training an AI. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Get to training, bitch. All right, good night.